What's up, YouTube? Got another video today. We got the all-amazing, the GMWB5000TCM, which is the Camo edition 5000 titanium series watch. Here's the presentation box. Not so much to talk about in terms of the box, but I like this trunk. The trunk itself, it's got a cool pattern here. Camel color, looks like a blue teal color on the trunk there. Okay. Inside the side box, you have your instruction manual in here and your warranty card, like so. But let's talk about the watch. Here it is. There it is. Now, again, this is the titanium color G-Shock 5000 Bluetooth technology tough solar movement watch. Retail price on this puppy is $1,600 US. GMWB5000TCM. It's still for sale. I have seen that it's still for sale by a lot of retailers. So if you're interested in this watch, feel free to go out and look for it. There's the SKU number, model number, and price, along with your module 3459, which is shared with most of these metal framed Bluetooth technology square watches. All right, but let's take a look at what the fuss is about. Let's take some of this wrapping off and let's get started. All right, and here we have it, the titanium case G-Shock 5000. Beautiful watch. The bezel there and also the bands are titanium, which gives you a watch that's extremely lighter and compared to that of the 5000 series stainless steel watch. This is about 57 grams lighter than the counterpart of the silver, gold, and black edition metal G-Shock 5000 series watches. Now you also see this watch has DLC coating, which is great. It helps prevents from scratching daily usage, and I think that's a great addition. But that does add up in terms of the cost. It does ramp up the cost on this watch. It also has Sapphire Glass, which is different from all the standard G-Shock watches. This is a top shelf, high quality G-Shock craftsmanship. Okay, you'll notice that the watch itself, the bezel, does have a glossy look finish on the bezel there, around the bezel itself. Got the glossy finish, while the band itself has a matte black or matte finish on the links with a glossy finish on the edges, around the edges. Okay, now this isn't your standard camouflage print. This is a new technology that G-Shock used to create this camo design, which I think it's very stunning. They use this dot engraving technology to create the pattern around the watch. And I'll do a close-up look on the watch. You can see what I'm talking about. But you can see if for example, here, you have small engraved dots, and then you have larger engraved dots, and then you have medium-sized engraved dots. Those give you the texture to create this cool camel pattern. All right, this watch is negative display, which not a lot of people are a fan of. I personally love the negative display, but especially when you have that the font that does give you easier legible numbers on the screen, the 5, the 1, 5, so forth. Again, this watch is Bluetooth and tough solar. This watch was released in December of 2019, again for the retail price of $1,600. You have a screw back on the case. See there? You have a tri-fold clasp. There you go. Tri-fold. And it does feel very light in my hand. Then you have this great looking gold buttons and screws holding the case on the watch. But I have to take a close-up pictures or a close-up view of this watch for you to really take in the beautiful design, the aesthetics of this watch. So let's do that now. Here you see the small, medium, and large dots engraved to create this beautiful camel pattern. And you see the matte finish on the links with the reflective glossy finish between the links. Also, on the bezel itself, you have that glossy design. The display itself, you see the dot pattern flows into the display, and then you have that traditional G-Shock square pattern on the display for the solar panel. This watch is 20 bar, which is 200 meter water resistant, Bluetooth technology, solar powered, titanium casing and bands. Here are these beautiful gold accent buttons and the screws. I think they did a marvelous job with this new technology on the bands. Here's your buckle, the G-Shock imprinted logo on the buckle. Again, the tri-fold mechanism. And here is your screw back. And there you have it, the GMWB5000TCM-1 titanium camouflage G-Shock watch with Bluetooth technology and tough solar. But let's take a look at the backlight before we close this beautiful watch. One of my favorite parts about these watches is the backlight, as you see there, how it pulses in and out when you turn it on. All right, guys, thanks for watching. There it is again, the G-Shock TCM. Till next time, I'll see you guys very soon. This is Chicago. I'll let you boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock, 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 I'm rocking my G-Shock.